SwiftBucks.co. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? That's what we'll be taking a look at today. But first, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog for you to check out. Please hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out as well. And stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you a bonus sites. And sites like SwiftBucks here, you have to promote, get referrals. I'm going to show you a place to get referrals and all kind of cool stuff. So let's get right into this. Make instant money using social media, the only legit influencer network that pays up to $10 per referral. Okay. Sign up. By the way, $25 sign up bonus. You get $10 for every friend you invite who joins their site, and they pay out through PayPal, Cash App, Bitcoin, or mail checks and more. There's some testimonials here. There's some brands they work with and other things like that. All right. So let's look at some facts here, and then I want you to put in the comments below whether you think it's a scam or not. I'm just going to point out some red flags, and then you let me know in the comments below. So the first red flag is, now, by the way, there's a lot of sites exactly like this, and lots of them. You can check out my other videos. You can check out the other sites like Tap to Earn, make $500 a day, Cash OG, make $500 a day, Cash for Clicks, $500 a day. They all pretty much say the same thing. They all said that there's the #1 influencers sites and stuff like that, which I don't know how they all could be the #1 influencer sites. They all pretty much look the same. But anyways, let's get back to the site that we're actually talking about here. Now, about. Okay, SwiftBucks was founded in 2015, with over 44 million paid out to 300,000 members. Now this is the first big red flag, and I'm going to show you why here in a second, because today is Saturday, February 22nd, 2020. Saturday, February 22nd, 2020. The site is SwiftBucks.co. Who is database? SwiftBucks.co. Registered February 3rd, 2020. So what do you think? Comments below, but scam or legit, let me know. That's just one red flag, because they obviously lied. They've been around since 2015. So in less than, it's not even been a month, and they say they paid out $44 million. Now here's another kicker. This dude, my mom and dad were shocked when I go home driving an Audi. Yeah, because he earned a 98K. And how long has this place been around? They started the website like not even a couple weeks ago. This website started. Let's see what else they got here. All right, so these social networks here, you click on these, they go nowhere. They don't have any. They have them on their site, but the links just go absolutely nowhere. When you go to sign up, terms of service here goes back right to the register page. So you're supposed to agree to stuff that doesn't exist here. Privacy policy, go right to the home page. Fraud policy, right to the home page, back to there. So very interesting. These guys actually don't have too many the shadiness that these other sites that exactly like this have, and because they don't have too much stuff on here. Like the other shady sites have like fake payment proofs, fake video testimonials. And by the way, like I said, all these sites are pretty much exactly the same. They all say the same stuff. If you've seen these sites, if you've been on these sites, you know they're scams already. But you know, it's up to you, obviously. Now let me show you some places where you can make some cash today if you want to. So here's a cool site where you actually put referral links for all kinds of different sites. Website called Kit. I'll put links in the video description below. I have a bunch of different things here that are legitimate opportunities. But I'm going to show you some of these cash apps here real quick. So if you want to get started making some money today. Most people already have Cash App. If you don't though, sign up. You'll get $5 today if you use my referral code. I'll get $5 as well. And then we also have Dosh, which is a cashback app. Basically, you get money for referring people as well. Use my referral code GregK21. Also, check me out on TikTok at Side Hustles. If you want to follow for some really quick money-making tips and stuff like that. You can get a free stock here at Robinhood, United States. I believe the UK has just entered into the picture here as well. So if you're in the United States or UK, you get a free stock for signing up, and you do have a good chance of getting Facebook, Microsoft, and some other high worth stocks there. Cryptocurrency. I've been mining cryptocurrency on my phone with the Pi network. The invite code that you're going to need is here as well. You can use my referral code Greg1. Rakuten, another one here. You can just check these out. I'm not going to go through all of these. I just wanted to show you the site that you can actually promote stuff here. Again, when you go on this site, you can create these kits, and this is a free site to promote your referral links, affiliate marketing stuff, whatever you want to do. You just add products, and then when you click on them, you get a thing like this. You could add a video up here, like play video. I have a video from my YouTube channel about this, and you don't even have to use your own videos. You can, you know, if you have a video, a promo video for this app, because they're just YouTube videos that you can share on here. So it just helps people, you know, understand it. And then when they click on the link, that's your referral link down there. Takes you to a referral page. This one's in with a code, so iOS store, Android store, you'd have to use the code, which is right here. You put that in your description or whatever. So pretty cool. Those are some cool apps to make some money. I would definitely stay away from this SwiftBucks.cl, but hey, it's up to you. Check out my other videos. Subscribe to the channel. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.